7 ways to make a man come to you. There are some secrets to make a man decide to approach you and start a conversation. Do you want to know what they are? I'll tell you right now. 1. Smile. It is the first step for a man to approach you. And maybe you do not need anything else. Just show yourself accessible and smile. It is easier for a boy to approach you if he sees that you are kind and happy. 2. Sensual, but not so much. If you want a man to approach you, you know you must be prepared and, if possible, give your best version, but that does not mean you have to dress like a sex bomb. On the contrary. If you are too sexy, 2 things can happen, either that he does not dare to approach, or to look like something you really are not. 3. Do not look busy. If you decide to get busy or interesting by shuffling papers, using your laptop, listening to music with headphones or touching your mobile phone all the time, no man will approach you. You must make others see you as someone who has nothing better to do than talking and having a good time. If he sees you available, it will be a good sign to be encouraged to approach you. 4. Remain in one place. If you are a target in movement, it will be very difficult to catch you. It is not so easy for men to get close to talk to women. They usually have to gather courage for several minutes to do it. Imagine if you spend it coming and going. He will never cheer up. 5. Cool girl. Let others see that you are a fun and cool person. It is perfect for them to think that it is worth approaching. Do not hesitate. Show how much fun you are, but without exaggeration. 6. Show yourself open. Crossing your arms and legs or turning your back only shows you closed to the possibility of accepting whoever approaches. Just relax. An open stance will encourage any man to come and talk with you. 7. Small group or alone. For a man to approach, he must feel that he will succeed, because otherwise, he will not. If you are in a large group of people, it is likely that he will not be encouraged to get to you. Instead, if you are alone or with a couple of friends, he will. Do not hesitate. If you want men to approach you, follow these tips that show you nice and willing to meet new people. To learn more women dating tips, download my books free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel, share this video and visit my online store. All I need is love.